What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Shani the Queen, and I have to start by saying happy Valentine's Day to everybody out there. I hope you guys had a beautiful night, a beautiful day if you and your significant other went out. And if you didn't have a significant other to go out with, well, guess what? You did, yourself. And I hope you treated yourself as the beautiful queen or king that you are. You don't need nobody to make you happy. You don't need nobody to take you out. If you can't make yourself happy, who else will? So start with yourself if you didn't have anybody. I'm just so happy to be here with you guys. This is my not your average Valentine look. I did give you guys a cute little smoky eye with a nice satin red dress and a little cute little red type of lip. Later on in this video, you will see how I brought this look together, but it's going to be a quick little shindig. It's not like long like my other videos, but it's going to be a cute little shindig just so you guys can see what I did to prep for my nightcap. So my Valentine was so beautiful. Did something different this year. I didn't have the opportunity to do something extravagant, but I am not the typical female that likes big extravagant things. I am the type that's like, give me a cute little balloon and a teddy bear and I am set. Like, that's all I need. Just give me balloons and a teddy bear. I don't need the chocolates. I don't need the flowers that's going to die because I forget to take care of them. I don't need the movies because I'm going to fall asleep in. I don't need none of the little traditional stuff, you know. Give me something like this. Cute little balloons, teddy bear. Let me take a nap. So what I ended up doing was taking us to this place called Sense Therapy. What it has an abundance of health and wealth activities that you could do there. So what we did was the Cryotherapy Chamber. And when I tell you, it was amazing. It was amazing. They have a promotion going on. It's only $28. And so I was able to do 2 for like $40 with the discount. You can't get that nowhere else. And then on top of that, we were able to add on the salt room right after the chamber just because like we had time. And there's also a promotion going on for that too for the same price. So we did this whole health and wealth day, well, health and wealth morning for about $80 and it felt amazing. It just something different, just letting you know that I want you here for the long time, for the long run. I'm not going to feed you burgers and hot dogs or whatever to, you know, clog your arteries and kill you soon. I want you here with me forever because you are that special to me. So, yes, that's what we did. And let me tell you, it's an experience that you have to try. So it's going to be the coldest place on earth. Is that what she told me? I think it's the coldest place on earth, but the reason why that your body can bear the temperature is because it's a constant temperature. It's not like when you go outside and it's snowing and the wind's blowing and like it's cold, then it's warm, then it's cold, then it's warm. It's a one stagnant temperature with no breeze that you go in and you stand there. So I was dancing, I was jumping around because it helps you stay warm. So you start off in this room for 10 seconds and then you cross over into the chamber, the actual chamber that has, it's so cold that it has like frost and snow and everything. And you only stay in there for 3 minutes. And I think you burn like 800 or 8,000 calories for those 3 minutes. It's like ridiculous. So you have so much leeway to eat for that day. Like, you can eat anything that day and still be under the calories that you just burned in that chamber. So I loved it. Loved it. Ended up getting Olive Garden afterwards for lunch. That was what I did during the morning time. I wanted to do it first thing in the morning because when you hop out the chamber, you have so much energy. Got a little tour. Real cute, small business. Love it. Love it. Got a little tour and they showed us all the locations inside the rooms. Well, inside the business that we can go back and try later that helps promote a healthy lifestyle. The last thing that we did do, like I told you guys, was the sea salt room, which is a whole room, just, you know, the walls are salted and then it bursting salt or whatever. And after a while, you start getting choked up from the salt. You start licking your lips. You taste the salt and all that great things. But it's supposed to help with like your immune system, your asthma, sickness, and all that great things. And again, there's a promotion going on. And I don't know when it ends, but if you are in the El Paso, Texas area, it is behooved that you get there like ASAP, because it is really good if you guys are trying to sustain a healthy lifestyle or jumpstart your lifestyle. So I really enjoyed that. And then for the nighttime, for the nighttime, I got me my lamb. Oh, I didn't even take a picture of my lamb, but I'm going to tell you guys here. My boo got me some lamb, got me some calamari, you know, little cute little lobster mashed potatoes, and a Red Lobster biscuit. Yes, I love my biscuits from Red Lobster. So that was like the perfect dish for me. I didn't even expect her to go get the lamb because I know how crowded it is out there. We made a pact that we was not going to go out to eat because everybody chooses Valentine's Day to go out to eat. So we actually celebrated our real Valentine's last week, which was amazing because what I was able to do was I booked out the entire spa place for us, and we were able to do this float machine where you just go in and it locks. It doesn't lock, but it closes on you and you just relax. It's like a float thing. I'll put those pictures up in the corners here. If it's not above my head, it'll be in the clips. We were able to get a massage. We were able to do the infrared sauna. And then we had like crackers, cheese, champagne, unlimited champagne, mimosas, all that great things to ourselves for the entire day. And that was a good package. It was a great Valentine package. We were the first people to do the Valentine package. And it was amazing. And back to this lamb. It was really good, real juicy. I still don't know where she got it from. My mouth is getting watery just thinking of it. But that's how we ended our night, is with a great dinner at home. Rose petal on the table, candles everywhere with my lamb. And some champagne and some wine and the nightcap, of course. I had to get dressed, show out, go out, and let the world see who I am. Okay? I'm not a people person. I'm not. People think I am, but I'm really not a people person. If I can be in a limited area of people, like if I could go to a club with 7 people, I will turn it up like there's 50 people there. But if I go to a club that has like 50 plus people and is like jumping and live for those people who loves packed clubs, I don't have fun because I be sweating and these edges take forever to lay down. This makeup takes forever to put on. And then when you're dancing, you really can't move. And then you got people who's groping you because it's so crowded and they think that they can get away with it. And you can't really catch them because there's so many people around. You can't even tell who's the one that touched you. It's like so much and stress and anxiety that goes along with a crowded club. But yes, thanks for watching. Happy Valentine's Day. And I hope you enjoy the next few couple clips from my Valentine's.